Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sharda Devi Maths Classes. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will start division of rational numbers. So shall we start? So here, if A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers and C by D which is not equal to 0, then A by B divided by C by D can be written as A by B into, instead of the C by D we will write here it is divided, so here it is into reciprocal of C by D. What is reciprocal of C by D? That is D by C. That is A by B into D by C. That is A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into reciprocal of C by D, that is D by C. Now if we take C by D as 0, C by D is a rational number, that is 0. 0 is a rational number. Now if C by D is 0, what is this A by B divided by C by D? Then that is equal to A by B divided by 0. 0 means 0 by 1, and that is equal to A by B into 1 by 0, reciprocal. Now that is equal to A into 1 is A, B into 0 is 0, 0 into any number is 0. So A by 0 which is not defined, division by 0 is not defined. So A by B divided by C by D is not defined if C by D is 0. That is why we are taking this C by D not equal to 0. Now this division is the inverse of multiplication. Here we can see division is the inverse of multiplication. So this, thus if M and N are any two rational numbers, says that this M by N or M divided by N we can take, so that here this N is not equal to 0, that condition is also there. So M by N is equal to M divided by N. M and N are rational numbers, that is equal to M into 1 by N, that is M into this reciprocal of N, M into reciprocal of N. Now we will deal with properties of division of rational numbers. As usual, the first one is closure property. Now I am taking this first rational number as 1 by 2 and another rational number say 3 by 4. Then their division 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. Now that is equal to 1, this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 that we know as a rational number. So here this 3 by 4 should not be equal to 0. That is if you take M and N as two rational numbers, then N not equal to 0, that condition, this 3 by 4 is not equal to 0. So here we can say that if a rational number is divided by a non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number. If this condition is violated, non-zero rational, if it is 0, the rational number division itself become what? Not defined. So if this divided by any non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number. Now if A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers, A by B divided by C by D is a rational number provided what? C by D, provided that C by D not equal to 0. Again if you take A by B divided by same rational number A by B, what is that? A by B into reciprocal of A by B, that is B by A. B can be cancelled, A can be cancelled. So the answer is 1. So a rational number divided by the same rational number will give you 1 as a product. Now if you divide the rational number A by B by 1, what will get? A by B into 1 means 1 by 1. So, into 1 by 1, that is A by B itself. That is, if a rational number is divided by 1, you will get the rational number itself. Now, the second property is commutativity. Now, I am taking 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 as usual. So, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Again, I am taking 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. That will give you 3 by 4 into reciprocal of this, that is 2 by 1. That is here 2, that is 3 by 2. If these two same, no, different, that is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, which is not equal to 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. That is in general, if you take two rational numbers, say A by B and C by D, these are two non-zero rational numbers. Then what happens? A by B divided by C by D, that is not equal to C by D divided by A by B, if they are non-zero rational numbers. So, we can say that division of two different rational numbers is not commutative. If it is same, that can be similar. That is, if you take A by B and A by B are two rational numbers, then A by B divided by A by B, that will give you 1. That is the same as A by B by A by B. So, we are instructing this different rational numbers, then it is not commutative. Now, the third property is associativity. Associativity. Here, if you take rational numbers, say A by B, C by D and E by F, so that this C by D not equal to 0 and E by F which is not equal to 0, then this A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F, that is not equal to A by B by C by D divided by E by F. If you take small examples, you can verify this. So, these are the two conditions, C by D and E by F not equal to 0. Then we can say that division of rational numbers is not associative. Next property, identity and inverse. Identity and inverse for division of rational numbers does not exist. Now we will take exercise 1D. In that, first question is evaluate. First sub question, 1 divided by 1 by 3. Division is the inverse of multiplication. So, by using that, 1 into 3 by 1, that is equal to 3. Next, second question is 3 divided by 3 by 5. Here also division can be replaced by multiplication. So, the reverse of this, 5 by 3. Now, 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So, the answer is 5. Now, the third question is minus 5 by 12 divided by 1 by 16. That is equal to minus 5 by 12 into 16 by 1. That is, division is the inverse of multiplication. Now, we can cancel 12 and 16 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. So, this is equal to minus 20 by 3 and that is equal to minus 6 and 2 by 3. Now, the fourth question is minus 21 by 16 divided by minus 7 by 8. That is equal to minus 21 by 16 into 8 by minus 7. Minus and minus cancels. With the 4 we can cancel 8 and 16. So, 2 times, you have 4 times. Now, 2 and 4 can be cancelled 2. Now, this is equal to, again this 7 and 21 can be cancelled 1 time and 3. So, this is equal to 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. Next, fifth question is 0 divided by minus 4 by 7. Now that also is equal to 0 means 0 by 1. That into 7 by minus 4. That is equal to 0 into 7 is 0 by 1 into minus 4 minus 4. 0 by x is 0. So this is 0. Now the sixth question is 8 by minus 5 divided by 24 by 25. That is equal to 8 by minus 5 into 25 by 24. Now 8 and 24 can be cancelled 1 time, 3 times. Now 5 and 25 can be cancelled 1 time, 5 times. So this is equal to this minus. Actually this is 5 by minus 3, but in standard form minus 5 by 3. Now the seventh question is minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. That is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 1 by minus 9. So minus can be cancelled, 3 and 9 can be cancelled, 1 and 3. So that is equal to 1 by 12. Now the eighth question is 3 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 12. That is equal to 3 by 4 into 12 by minus 5. 4 and 12 can be cancelled. So 3 times. Now this is equal to minus 9 by 5. And that is equal to minus 1 and 4 by 5. Next, ninth question is minus 5 divided by minus 10 by 11. That is equal to minus 5 into 11 by minus 10. Minus and minus cancels. 5 and 10 can be cancelled. So 11 divided by 2. So 5 times 10. So 5 and 1 by 2. Next question is 10. That is minus 7 by 11 divided by minus 3 by 44. Now that is equal to minus 7 by 11 into reciprocal 44 by minus 3. Here minus and minus can be cancelled. 11 and 44 can be cancelled 4 times. So that is 28 by 3. 9 3s are 27, then balance 1 by 3. 9 and 1 by 3. Next question, second. Divide. In that first sub question is 3 by 1 by 3. Divide 3 by 1 by 3. So that is equal to 3 by 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 into 3 by 1. That is equal to 9. Now the second sub question is minus 2 by minus 1 by 2. So divide minus 2 by minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 into 2 by minus 1. Minus and minus cancel. So the answer is 4. Now the third question is divide 0 by 7 by minus 9. 0 divided by 7 by 9 minus 9 means 0. 0 by x, that is equal to 0. But x by 0, which is not defined. 0 by x is 0. So this is 0. Now for the other number is equal to minus 3 and 1 by 2. Like that you have to write. So the fourth question is, see the question, the product of two numbers is minus 4 by 9. That can be a number, that is rational number clearly. If you want, you can write numbers. That is minus 4 by 9. Again, what is given? If one of the numbers also you can write, or rational numbers. Anyway, both are correct. So that is given as minus 2 by 27. Find the other number or other rational number. So we can write, let the other rational number be x, that we have to find. So what is the one of the numbers? Minus 2 by 27. Therefore, minus 2 by 27 into the other rational number, that is the product. What is it given? Minus 4 by 9. So, we want to find out this x. So, x is equal to what is on the right side, that we have to write it first. Now, with this x minus 2 by 27 is multiplied. So, while taking that to the right side, it will get divided there. So, divided by minus 2 by 27, that is equal to minus 4 by 9 into its reciprocal, 27 divided by minus 2. Minus and minus cancels, 2 and 4 cancels, 1, 2. 9 and 27 cancels, 1, 3. So, what is that? 3, 2 into 3, that is 6. Now, please see the fifth question. M and N are two rational numbers such that M into N, they are rational numbers. M into N is given as minus 25 by 9. Now, two sub-questions are there. First one is, so first one we can take, what is first one? If M is equal to 5 by 3, find N. Then what is N? So, let us take that at first. So, what is M into N? That is minus 25 by 9. So, what is the value of M here given? 5 by 3. Now, we can put that there. Into N we don't know. That is we have to find out. That is equal to minus 25 by 9. So, what is N? N is equal to minus 25 by 9. What is with this N? 5 by 3. That is multiplied here. So, we want to take that to the right side. So, it will get divided there. So, divided by 5 by 3. Now, that is equal to minus 25 by 9 into 3 by 5. I am writing here because no space. So, 1, 5, 3, 3. So, 1, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. That is minus 1 and 2 by 3. That is the first part of the question. Now, let us take the second part. Now, it is given that M into N is equal to minus 25 by 9. In the second part, it is given that N is equal to minus 10 by 9. We want to find the M. So, let us put the value of N here in this. So, M like that only, M into N is minus 10 by 9. That is given as what? Minus 25 by 9. So, M is equal to what is on the right side? Minus 25 by 9 divided by this minus 10 by 9. So, that is equal to minus 25 by 9 into its reciprocal, 9 by minus 10. Minus and minus cancels, 10 and 25 with the 5, 2 times, 5 times, 9 and 9 can be cancelled. So, what is the answer? 5 by 2. That is 2 times 4, 1 by 2, 2 and 1 by 2. So, minus into minus will give you plus, plus into plus will give you plus sign, then minus into plus will give you minus number, then plus into minus also will give you minus. Regarding division also, minus divided by minus, minus and minus cancels and that will give you plus, and now again plus divided by minus, plus number divided by minus number, that will give you minus number. Then again minus number divided by plus number, that also will give you minus number. Again plus number divided by plus number, sign, if both are plus, that will give you plus number. So, remember this. Now, let us take the next question. So, the sixth question is, see the sixth question, by what number must minus 3 by 4 be multiplied so that a product is minus 9 by 16. So, let us take the number B, x. Let the number be x. Therefore, what we can take this minus 3 by 4 into x. multiplied. So minus 3 by 4 into x, which is given as minus 9 by 16. So what is x? X is equal to, what is on the right side? Minus 9 by 16. It is multiplied here, minus 3 by 4. We want to take to the right side. So divided by same number, minus 3 by 4. Now that is equal to minus 9 by 16 into 4 by minus 3. Minus and minus cancels, 3 and 9 can be cancelled 3 times. 4 and 16 can be cancelled 4 times. So that is equal to 3 by 4. Now the seventh question is, by what number should minus 8 by 13 be multiplied to get 16? So we don't know the number. So let us take that to be x. So minus 8 by 13 into x. That will give you what? 16. So what is x? X is equal to, what is on the right side? That way to write it first. Now see what is multiplied here with x? Minus 8 by 13. So we want to take this minus 8 by 13 to the right side. So it will get divided there. So divided by minus 8 by 13. Now this is equal to 16 into 13 by minus 8. That is, division is the inverse of multiplication. Now 8 and 16 can be cancelled 1 time, 2 times. So this is equal to minus 26. So the number to be multiplied is minus 26. Now the eighth question is, if 3.5 liters of milk costs rupees 49, find the cost of 1 liter of milk. So we can write the statement as, cost of 3.5 liters of milk is equal to rupees 49. Cost of 1 liter of milk, that we don't know, that we have to find out. So what is in the right side? That we have to write it first, 49. So 3.5 liters is given as 49. So we have to take this 3.5 to the right side, because 3.5 means into 1. So it is multiplied there. So it will get divided while taking that to the right side. So 3.5 divided by 3.5. So that is equal to 49 divided by, convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is equal to 49 into 2 by 7. Now with the 7 we can cancel 1 and 7. So this is equal to 14. We have to write the unit also, that is rupees 14. Now the ninth question is, cost of 3 and 2 by 5 meters of cloth is 88 and 1 by 2 rupees. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? So let us write the statement as, so it is given that cost of 3 and 2 by 5 meter of cloth is equal to 88 and 1 by 2 rupees. Now we want to find out the cost of 1 meter of cloth. So now let us convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 2, 88 into 2, 176 plus 1, 177 rupees. 177 by 2 rupees. Now cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to, as in the previous answer, 3 and 2 by 5 meter means 3 and 2 by 5 into 1. In that we want only 1. So we want to take this 3 and 2 by 5 to the right side of the equal sign. So what is on the right side? Remain that 177 divided by 2. Now we want to take this to right side. So it will get divided there. 3 and 2 by 5. Now this is equal to 177 by 2 divided by 5 into 3. 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 5. Now this is equal to 177 divided by 2 into 5 by 17, as division is the inverse of multiplication. Now we can't cancel any of these numbers, so let us multiply the numerators. So 177 into 5, that is 885. Now this is equal to 885 divided by 2 into 17, that is 34. Now let us divide this, that is 885 divided by 34. 2 times 68, balance here it is 0, balance here 2. Then 205, 6 times 40 to 204, balance is 1. So this is equal to rupees 26 and 1 by 34. 26 and 1 by 34. Now the next question is 10. The question is, divide the sum of 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 14 by minus 1 by 2. So the sum of what? 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 14. So we can put this in one bracket. Then we have to divide that by minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 7, minus into plus is minus 5 by 14 divided by minus 1 by 2. Now we can take the LCM as 14. So 14 by 7 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 14 by 14 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Now that divided by minus 1 by 2. That means this is equal to 6 minus 5, 1. 1 by 14 into 2 by minus 1. That is, division is the inverse of multiplication. So 14 and 2 can be cancelled. 7. So this is equal to minus 1 by 7. Now the 11th question is, find m plus n divided by m minus n if 3 conditions are there. First one is m is equal to 2 by 3 and n is equal to 3 by 2. So let us do that at first. So now this m plus n divided by m minus n we have to find out. Now that is equal to, value of m is 2 by 3 plus n is 3 by 2. Then that divided by m is 2 by 3 minus m minus n. N is equal to 3 by 2. Now here the LCM is 6. 3 and 2, 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Then that plus 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Now that divided by, here LCM of 3 and 2, 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Now this is equal to 13 by 6 divided by minus 5 by 6. Now this is equal to 13 by 6 into 6 by minus 5, as division is the inverse of multiplication. So 6 and 6 can be cancelled. So that is equal to minus 13 by 6. That is equal to minus 2 and 2 times 12. So here 5, here 5 is remains. So here also 5. So 13 by 5. 2 times you will get 10. Balance 3 by 5. Minus 2 and 3 by 5 is the answer. Next question is second part of that. So second sub question, m is equal to 3 by 4, n is equal to 4 by 3. We want to find out m plus n divided by m minus n. Now that is equal to, value of m is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus n is 4 by 3. Now that divided by m, 3 by 4 minus n, 4 by 3. Here the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, as there is no common factors or divisors. So 12 by 4 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 12 by 3 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Now that divided by, here also LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 12 by 4 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9 minus 12 by 3 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So this is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25 by 12. Now that divided by 16, difference of 16 and 9 is 7. Put larger number sign, that is minus 7. Then that divided by 12. Now as division is the inverse of multiplication, we can write 25 by 12 into 12 by minus 7. Here we can cancel 12 and 12. So what is remaining? 25 by minus 7. That in standard form will give you minus 25 by 7. That is the answer. Now in the third part of that question 11, it is given that m is equal to 4 by 5, n is equal to minus 3 by 10. So we have to find out m plus n divided by m minus n. So that is equal to m is 4 by 5 plus n, that is minus 3 by 10. Then that divided by m 4 by 5 minus n is minus 3 by 10. Don't forget to put these brackets, otherwise you will get confused. So 4 by 5 minus into plus is minus 3 by 10 divided by 4 by 5 minus into minus is plus 3 by 10. Now this is equal to LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So 10 by 5 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8 minus 10 by 10 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3 divided by, here also LCM is 10, 10 by 5 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8 plus here 10 by 10 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3. Now this is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. 5 by 10 divided by 8 plus 3, that is 11. 11 by 10. Now this is equal to 5 by 10 into, division is the inverse of multiplication. So 10 by 11. Now 10 and 10 can be cancelled. So the answer is 5 by 11. Now the 12th question is, what is the question? The product of two rational numbers is minus 5. If one of these numbers is minus 7 by, find the other. So let us write the statement like this. So it is given in the question that product of two rational numbers is equal to minus 5. One of the numbers is equal to minus 7 by 15. The other number, that is equal to question mark. What is that number? So let us write this. Let the other number be x. So we can write one of the numbers is given as minus 7 by 15. Then that into, what is that x, other number is x, that is equal to product of the numbers is given as minus 5. Now we want this x is equal to, what is on the right side, that we have to write it first, minus 5. Here this minus 7 by 15 is multiplied with x. So we want to take that to the other side, right side of the equal sign. So that will get divided by what? Minus 7 by 15. So that is equal to minus 5 into, division is the inverse of multiplication. So 15 by minus 7. So minus and minus can be cancelled. So this is equal to what? 75 by 7. 75 by 7. Now the next question number 13. What is that given in the question? Divide the sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12 by the difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So Here at first we can find the sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12. So, sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12 is equal to 5 by 8 plus minus 11 by 12. Now, what is the LCM of 8 and 12? With 2, 4 and 6. With 2, 2 and 3. So, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24. Therefore, we can write this as what 24 is the common denominator. 24 by, here if you want, you can write one more step like this. 5 by 8 plus into minus is minus what 11 by 12. For that again LCM is 24. 24 by 8, 3. 3 into 5 is 15. Then this minus sign. 24 by 12 is 2. 2 into 11 is 22. So, that is equal to 7. Difference is 7. Then minus 7. Minus is sign of 22. So, by 24. So, this is the sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12. Now, what is asked in the question? Again, what is given? Divide that sum by the difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So, now I am asking to find the difference of 5 and 2. Then we can either do it like this 5 minus 2 or we can do it like this 2 minus 5. So, both are correct. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So, like that here also it is asked to find the difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So, we can do it in both ways. So, now the difference of minus 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So, that is equal to, how can we take difference of 3 by 7? So, 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So, 3 by 7 minus 5 by 14, or that can be what 5 by 14 minus 3 by 7. So, that is equal to, LCM is 14 here. 14 by 7 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 14 by 14 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Now, here or 14. 14 by 14 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5 minus 14 by 7 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. So, this is equal to 1 by 14, or this can be minus 1 by 14. So, now what we have to find? We have to divide, isn't it? We have to divide this minus 7 by 24. That is the sum of these two. 24 by what? By 1 by 14, or what? Or minus 1 by 14. So, that can be equal to minus 7 by 24 divided by 1 by 14, or that can be minus 7 by 24 divided by minus 1 by 14. So, that is equal to minus 7 by 24 into 14 by 1 inverse, or minus 7 by 24 into minus 14 by 1. So, here minus into minus is plus, here minus is there. So, now we can cancel. So, 14 and 24, that is 12, here it is 7. Here also with the 2 we can cancel 7 and 12. So, the first one, what is remaining? Minus 7 to 7 is 49 by what? 12 here, or 7 to 7 is 49 by 12. So, here is this plus, here it is minus. So, those two values will get on dividing the sum of 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 12 by the difference of 3 by 7 and 5 by 14. So, now quote of the day is, true wealth is what you are, not what you have. So, be blessed always. Thank you.